Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the bootable USB ready and a Target PC powered down. Plug the USB in now. Restart and enter BIOS or UEFI to change boot order so the USB is first. Once done, make sure Secure Boot is set appropriately for your media. Some tools require it off. If you have valuable files, pull the drive or confirm a backup before proceeding, because the next screens let you overwrite partitions, so stop and verify now if unsure. You'll see the Windows Setup screen. Select Language and click Repair your computer to avoid reinstalling. From Troubleshoot, pick Advanced Options and try Startup Repair first, because it fixes common bootloader and BCD issues automatically. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point or uninstall updates to remove a bad install. When deeper fixes are required, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to repair the master boot record. Once repairs succeed or you complete a reset or clean install, remove the USB and boot into Windows to finish setup. You should install manufacturer's drivers, run Windows Update, and confirm device functionality in Device Manager to avoid post-recovery errors. If you chose Reset, verify your user accounts and data. If you did a clean install, restore files from backup. If something goes wrong, try a different USB port, recreate the boot media, or verify the ISO checksum, because corrupted media is a common hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.